Hey guys, welcome back to another. I want to do another taste test. We did one yesterday on the Hubba Bubba One Piece gum. I have another one of those. I just want to show you guys. So we did a taste test on this yesterday. Now today I got the tape. We're gonna.
Wabi testing that?
Yep. We're going to compare it, and we are going to. Robbie and me are going to tell you which one we think is better. And so the other one got like a. What did it get?
It was a 21 out of 30.
Yeah, 21 out of 30. So I'm gonna try giving.
If I was wrong, correct us in the comments.
Yeah, we'll double check the video in a minute.
And the tape.
The tape. Here, I'm gonna try to get a piece too.
I thought you were gonna try one piece.
Okay. What do you give it?
So should we do like all the tests from yesterday? Like the softness, the hardness.
Okay, so if 10 be the softest and 0, 10.
No, yesterday 0 is the
but I had to convert it. So 0 being the hardest, 10 being the softest. What would you pick?
I'll
give it like an 8.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe like an 8, possibly a 7.
What about a flavor?
Or maybe like a 6, 7.
Okay, come on. All right. So what do you give it? 8?
The flavor?
No.
It's a 7.
7?
It's a little hard.
Yeah, I picked 7 too. Yeah. Because we gotta go to the gym. Let's say 7.5 because I picked 8 and you picked 7, so it'll be 7.5. And then what about flavor?
Is 10 the best and
0 the worst? Yeah.
a 9?
I give it an 8. I like the thing that was inside the middle of it.
8.5?
Yeah. Okay. 8.5. 8.5. So 7.5 plus 8.5 is 16. So now, well, actually. Okay, I'm gonna give that a solid 3. I'm giving. I give it I think we need more, so I'll give it like an 8.
An 8?
Cause then we need more.
True. Should we just get more then?
No, because the video's about to end.
Yeah, I'll give it an 8.
Okay, so 8 plus 16 is 32.
We went past.
Wait, how did that happen?
We went past the max level. All right, let's go back.
How did I'm confused.
All right, thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. It was meant to be 22, not 32.
I
I just didn't.